says everybody performs anywhere. But during the time, do you remember pag tinatawag ka ng teacher, namumula ka, tapos galaw ka ng galaw, sayaw ka ng sayaw. Tapos the teacher would say, "Oy, Carla, tigil-tigilan mo na yan. Stop dancing. What's the answer?" Miss, di ba gano'n ka ng gano'n?
That's why tawag nyo sa akin kamatis.
Correct. Super red. Super red talaga. Were you nervous?
I was sweet then. Because now, I'm different because I'm running a company. Yes, I'm shy. I used to be shy. And I guess I get embarrassed. Pag may tumitingin sa akin, siyempre pag
During that
tatayo
time.
ka, kasi nakaganon kayo. So talagang tomato rin ako. Actually, my son is like that also.
Kinakabahan din.
Kasi namumula rin siya. Sabi niya.
Actually, ang cute mo nga pag namumula ka kasi tisay na tisay. Parang, sana ako din. Ganyan. Okay. So, ang dream mo talaga, maging cashier, pero napunta ka sa College of Music. Pero nung nag-upcut ka, meron pa yung di ba?
Choices.
Oo, choices. Yun yung talagang mo, number
there
one.
was also masscom.
Okay.
So, hindi ko alam kung anong kukunin ko, but it was my mom who told me, na sabi niya, gusto mo ba nasa limelight ka or gusto mo nasa likod ka? So, sabi ko, gusto ko yung pinapanood. Yun. So, doon ako pursue ng music.
Music, voice, 'di ba?
Voice.
Major. Pero aside from written na entrance exam sa UP, meron pa yung audition, right?
Yes. Auditions, tapos may another written